Hello, Timbersurf here with an announcement about a brand new model railway exhibition to be held at the Coppenhall Club, North Street, Crewe, in the middle of the country. This will be its inaugural outing, organised by a fellow YouTuber, Barnabas Junction. And as I've become well known for organising YouTuber meet and greets at model railway shows, it falls to me to ask you, if you want to turn up, if you're coming to the show, that we will hold a YouTubers meet and greet at 11 o'clock in the bar area. It's aimed at YouTubers, but that doesn't mean that anybody who follows YouTube channels can't come along and meet those famous faces that you know so well, but I've never met in person. Certainly there'll be, I think, something like half a dozen in attendance, including myself, Barnabas Junction of course, and our GJ Trains, amongst several others. If you want to turn up at the show, added bonus is that you can come along to the meet and greet and meet some of those faces that you know so well on the little screen. So I will see you there at 11 o'clock in the bar area. No, I'm not buying, it's closed. Ciao for now.